Helping kids welcome a new sibling, preparing for a new baby. Introducing a new baby to the family is a special and often transformative time. However, for older children, it can be a confusing and even challenging period as they adapt to changes in family dynamics and routines. Preparing kids for a new baby is essential for a smoother transition and can help foster a loving and positive relationship between siblings from the very beginning. Here are some thoughtful ways to help children of various ages get ready for a new sibling, focusing on understanding, communication, and inclusion. 1. Talk openly and early. The best way to introduce the idea of a new baby is to talk about it openly and as soon as it feels appropriate. Depending on the age of the child, the explanation may vary, but using simple, honest language helps. For young toddlers, parents can start by reading books about babies or families growing, helping them associate positive emotions with the idea of a sibling. Older children might have more questions, so allowing them to ask and answering patiently will help ease any anxieties or curiosities. Parents can discuss the changes that might come, such as having a new crib or a few new routines, helping them visualize how things may look but not in a way that feels overwhelming. 2. Involve them in the process. Involving kids in the preparation for a new baby makes them feel important and included. Ask for their help in small tasks, such as picking out baby clothes or decorating the nursery. This involvement makes the baby feel like a family project rather than a sudden addition. Kids often enjoy the sense of contribution, and it builds anticipation in a positive way. If the child is old enough, they might enjoy coming along to prenatal appointments to listen to the baby's heartbeat or see an ultrasound picture. These experiences can foster a sense of connection even before the baby arrives. 3. Address their feelings and encourage expression. Children may have a wide range of emotions, from excitement and curiosity to jealousy and worry. It's essential to create a space where they feel comfortable expressing themselves. Parents should assure them that all feelings are normal, reinforcing that their role in the family is still very much valued and loved. For example, younger children may fear that their parents' attention will be solely focused on the baby, while older children might feel some anxiety about having to share responsibilities or their room. By validating these feelings and discussing them, parents can reduce fears and build a supportive environment. 4. Teach responsibility gradually. A new baby brings new responsibilities, and children can feel empowered when given a role. For very young children, this might be as simple as singing to the baby or passing a diaper. Older kids might help with slightly more hands-on tasks, such as bringing the baby's bottle or gently rocking the bassinet. However, it's crucial that the responsibility matches the child's age and isn't overwhelming. The goal is to make them feel included and proud, not burdened. Over time, these small acts help foster a nurturing bond between siblings. 5. Set realistic expectations. Many children imagine a new sibling as a ready-made playmate, only to be surprised when the baby mostly sleeps, cries, or eats. Setting realistic expectations about what a newborn will be like can prevent disappointment. Explain that babies need a lot of care initially, and it will take some time before they're ready to play. Parents can emphasize that their role as an older sibling is essential to the baby's learning and growth, which helps them feel valuable and needed. It's also beneficial to explain that parents might be busy with the baby, but this doesn't mean they love the older child any less. 6. Preserve special time with older kids. During the whirlwind of a new arrival, older children might feel overlooked. Setting aside some special time for them, even if brief, reinforces that they're just as important as ever. This dedicated time can be as simple as reading a story before bed, playing a favorite game, or having a small outing with a parent. When children have time focused on just them, it reduces potential feelings of resentment or jealousy. Additionally, giving them opportunities to share how they're feeling during these moments can strengthen family bonds. 7. Encourage bonding after the baby arrives. Once the baby arrives, finding ways for the siblings to bond naturally is beneficial. This could involve allowing the older child to gently touch or hold the baby with supervision, or having them help with diaper changes in a small way. Celebrating these interactions builds confidence and pride in their new role as an older sibling. Parents should praise the older child's involvement, reinforcing positive behavior and strengthening the sibling bond. Conclusion: welcoming a new baby is a joyful time, yet it brings changes that affect the entire family. By preparing children for a new sibling thoughtfully and lovingly, parents can help ease the transition and lay the groundwork for a healthy, supportive sibling relationship. Open communication, realistic expectations, and consistent reassurance ensure that older children feel valued and secure, making them more likely to embrace their new role with enthusiasm. Ultimately, creating a warm, inclusive environment nurtures a positive sibling bond that will grow over time.